Good evening, everybody. Richie Williams here from Simple Effects. I hope you've all had a fantastic weekend, and welcome to this week's week ahead preview, where we should be looking at any trading opportunities that may be coming our way. Let me just put the there you go. Hi everybody. Yeah, caught the sun, a little bit red, so bear with me. My face is absolutely stinging. So okay, let's get stuck in. So I wish I had good news for you, but I don't, and that's the reality of what's coming this week. We've all had a fairly decent couple of weeks. That's all about to change. It now gets really serious, and it gets really serious for one reason and one reason only, and the reason is this. So Wednesday we have the latest from the Federal Reserve interest rate decision and monetary policy, as well as their economic projections. So what does this mean? It means that the markets will be very afraid, and rightfully so. The reason why they'll be very afraid is because we don't know whether the Fed are going to hike rates. Now, it was widely expected that they would hike rates. I don't think they will. And from what I can see here, the consensus is that they won't. So what does that mean for the dollar? It's not good news. It's not good news. And as you can see here, I was checking this out earlier on. Look how much the euro has moved against the dollar. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 1,600 points since the turn of the year. Since Trump got in, that is what happened. Let me just show you what that means in real terms. So look, we've already broke these higher highs. Where can this go? You know, the worrying thing is I have no clue, because look how steep this was. Look how steep. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. We could see some serious gains here. Now, do I think it's going to go up here? I don't think we're going to get back here. But do I see this here? Yeah, I do. The honest answer is I do. But I'm not going to jump in and trade it. I'm not going to tell you to make a trade now. And the reason I'm not going to do that is because it's gambling. It's very uncertain. We don't know what's coming. We need to wait and see what they say. This will be an interesting one, the press conference. Yeah, we're going to have a live session for this. Without doubt, we're going to be trading this. I wish I was at home for this, in front of all my proper kit, instead of here with 2 screens and crappy internet. This is going to be serious stuff. So what do I think is going to happen this week? Not a lot. I don't think much is going to happen at all. So we got this tomorrow. We'll be on it. I don't believe the markets are prepared to commit. So that's not going to bring any big points for you. So you guys that did well last week, you've got to avoid the temptation to be diving in to try to pick up points, because you're going to get hurt otherwise. It's not going to be a great trading week. That's the truth. Okay, we will make some points on this regardless, and we'll also follow through the following day. Now, I'm travelling back here on Thursday, so I'll be with you hopefully for the afternoon, or maybe Friday, or definitely Friday morning. So in terms of your week ahead, that's all I can really talk to you about. I mean, this has just been insane. I mean, look at this, 135, knocking the door of 136. And where can it go? I've been bullish on the pound. We've passed this point here. The last higher highs, we've passed that. Now you look at the dip here. Look at how far that dropped. Now all this is Brexit. This is Brexit, guys. Now how far are we away from the highs? So 136 we can say. I think this is probably a fair price here. So 140. So it's 500 pips. 500 pips. I can see us getting back here. So I remain bullish on the pound. Again, it's all subject to whatever comes out from the government and the Brexit. And of course, it's also subject to whatever happens on Wednesday for the Fed. Be interesting to see, guys. It really will. What else have we got coming up? Let's have a quick look. So Wednesday in the day we've got EU non-monetary policy ECB meeting. Yeah, we've got that. So Bank of Japan as well. You see, this can also push the dollar further down. You see, these are big players. If they should come out with a bullish statement, guys, then the euro's going to rise and the dollar's going to die further. And of course, the pound's going to fly more. So it's not looking good for the dollar this week. I've got to tell you, it's not looking good for the dollar. I'm nervous. I'm actually nervous. Could be some big stuff out this week, guys. So listen, I'm bearish on the dollar, but not to the point where I'm going to front run it, I'm going to get in or make any kind of trades. And neither are you, okay? Let me pull up this so you can speak to you. Nor are you. We're going to stay out and we're going to watch. We're going to be patient. We're not going to make any ludicrous, silly, crazy, stupid, nonsensical trades. Okay, we're going to sit and we're going to watch and we're going to wait like traders, not gamblers. And that includes every single one of you. Yes, you. You're not going to gamble. Okay, you're not going to lose money. We're going to sit and we're going to wait. We might not make anything, but we're not going to lose anything either. Remember, it's better to not be in and not lose than to be in and lose. Okay. Difficult week ahead, okay? So Wednesday night, it's all about Wednesday night. So let's be calm, let's be sensible, and let's see it through. There's always next week and the week after, okay? And the reality is that once this data comes out on Wednesday, we should better clean up a few points as well. All right? That's all I can really tell you for today, guys. So we're watching the dollar, we're watching the Bank of Japan, we're watching the ECB, we're watching the Federal Reserve. Euro, yen, pound, and obviously the dollar. It's all about that this week, guys. So I hope you're with me. I'll be with you as much as I can. I'm travelling back on Thursday and we can get back to normal. I can't wait to get back to normal. All right. Anyway, listen, have a fantastic rest of the weekend and I'll see you all in the room tomorrow morning. All right. Take care, guys.